Are you ready for the up and coming altcoin season in 2021? Well, this video is all about that and more. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So after you smash that subscribe button, we'll get into it. So as we can see, altcoin season. What is that? Let's say maybe you're new to crypto, you don't know what altcoin season is. Hey, alt season is when all the altcoins just start pumping. For example, you'll see Dot at $15. You'll see Cardano over $1. You'll see Chainlink $30. You'll see all these coins pumping, Stellar at $1, Monero at 500, EOS at 20. You'll see everything, just going on, and Theta, Tezos, things just, I can go on and on and on. VeChain is finally going to break new highs and hit like 5 cents. Things are just gonna, and that's just the beginning. Seeing Synthetics Network token at $30. Things are, it's just crazy how things go. Altcoin season is when all of this is consistently green. Yes, some things may be down for the day, but overall things are pumping. One thing pumps like crazy, then you got to find the next one. It's just amazing. And in 2017, it would just kept happening again and again and again. It's just kind of like how currently with Bitcoin, it keeps making all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. That's what's going to happen to a lot of these major altcoins. Don't forget about Ethereum. This thing, I would not be surprised to see it at around 5 to 10K in this alt season. So, maybe like, well, what are some, like a small alt, that may be pretty popular, may not be popular, that could have some massive gains? Well, I have one in mind to share with you guys today, and that is Polkastarter. Its ticker is POLS. It currently is at around a $30 million market cap. So it's kind of low. It's up 16% today at 61 cents. And if you want to buy it, you get a Uniswap, BIKI, Gate.io, and you got a couple like other small ones as well. Maybe like, well, what is this Polkastarter? So we go over to their website, and it says, decentralize the way your ideas raise capital. Be the first to join Polkastarter, a protocol built for cross-chain token pools and auctions, enabling projects to raise capital on a decentralized and interoperable environment based on Polkadot. So, Polkastarter may have reminded you of Polkadot. So keep in mind, Polkadot is the number 6 crypto right here, and it's up as well, 10% in the last 24 hours. This is definitely going to be one of those alts that's going to be a big deal in 2021. But look at this with Polkastarter, you're able to raise capital. It's kind of interesting. You go to view the pools, and it's loading everything, for the most part, it's 100%, except for this one right here. But it's cool to see that they're able to raise funds this way. I'm kind of curious how the whole auction stuff works out. That'd kind of be cool if we could have like an eBay kind of thing. Maybe I'm missing the point. Let me know down in the comments. But I think that would kind of be cool as well. You go right here to connect your wallet. Click connect wallet, and then it's going to pop up, oh, you want MetaMask or whatnot, and you connect there. So it's definitely kind of cool to see what the potential this has. For a $30 million market cap, and we're going into alt season, that's pretty low. This thing could easily 4x in my humble opinion. Obviously not financial advice, just my humble opinion. So we know what's up next. We got good old the graph. We got to talk about the graph, okay? What is going on with the graph? Looks like on the 4-hour, we're kind of just consolidating. This is one of those things in all season, I think it's going to have a major pump. We're talking $1, we're talking $2, we're talking $3 GRT. If you're excited for that, smash the like button. But besides that though, long term, this thing playing out in 2021, I do believe is going to have massive success. People are going to make a lot of money. I was hoping this breakout was going to be the breakout that pushed us up, to our rocket ship right there. But unfortunately, it did not. We kept slamming back down. But it's cool though. I would like to see this thing double bottom right here around because the bodies were all at 33 cents. If we can double bottom here at 33 cents, hold it as support, and then bounce back up another nice green candle, but break through, especially above this region right here. If we can break through the 55-cent region, hold that then as support, that would be very, very bullish. So I'm expecting a possible retest at 33 cents. I get it. We're at 37 cents. We're not that far away from it. A retest, bounce off, and then continue to go up. It's going to be exciting to see what happens with the graph. All I got to say though is in altcoin season, this thing is going to do well. This is going to do well. It's one of those ones you definitely want to get some before it takes off. And of course, I can't talk about all season without mentioning, that good old coin, Uniswap. I mean, what is going on with Uni? Let's pull it up on the daily because we got a lot of data. Make this a little more readable. So, we all know what happened here. It came out, popped up. It was great because everybody got free Uni tokens. Everybody kept buying. And then, well, it's been a downtrend since. But this thing right here, though, with version 3 coming out in 2021. You got that right. Version 3 is coming out in 2021. Like I've been saying for weeks now, we got to break through that $4 region, hold it as support, continue then to break up to approximately the $5 region. We need to break that. But once we break that $5, I mean, there is not much resistance. And you'd be like, what do you mean there's not that much resistance? Well, look, there really isn't much. You have a little bit here at 571, a little here at 697. Once we break $7, and do you want to know where Uniswap is going? I'll show you. And I want this to sink in, okay? So just pay attention here. We're going to Bitcoin. Keep in mind, with Bitcoin, things really, really got parabolic. We're on the daily. They got parabolic once we broke, the 19.9 / basically the 20K. Once we broke the 20K, things got parabolic. And you want to know why? We got to pull it up on a weekly to show you why, because there's just so much price history right here. The reason is because, look, once we broke that 18.9 and then that 20, there was no price history ever. We were never that high. So things are just going parabolic. We just hit 28.8 or 28.5 yesterday. I mean, crazy, right? So going back to Uniswap, once we break the all-time high, which this week all the way up to $8, okay, like in my humble opinion, it's really going to be that $5.20 area. It's going to be the major move right there. Once we break that, I mean, it's going to be just like with Bitcoin. We're going to have off to the races. I mean, 8, 12, 16, 20, $25 Uni are all possibilities, especially with that V3. This thing right now is like it's like a spring. It's being coiled up. It's being held down with some resistance. And eventually the spring's just going to let loose. And we are going to see prices that you have never seen before with Uniswap. So what do you think about good old Uni? I definitely think, it's like the #1 DEX out there, the #1 decentralized exchange. So, and the last coin I want to talk about altcoin season 2021 in this video is good old ETHEREUM. Okay, so you see with Ethereum right here, you may be like, well, but the crypto homie, this is the #2 coin. It's not really an altcoin. Well, the thing is, it is an altcoin. And this thing right here, I mean, a $5,000 to $10,000 Ethereum is totally in the works in this altcoin run, this whole bull cycle. And where's our last resistance stop? Well, once we break $1,365 is the last major resistance for good old Ethereum. Breaking 1,400 will make us new price discovery. But once again, once we get there, I mean, things are going to go nuts. I mean, alt season, you're going to see this whole thing right here on CoinGecko, all green. I mean, we're talking 20, 30, 40, 50% moves in a day consistently. Like you see 84% in the last 7 days for Celsius. No, it's going to be on the last hour, 84%. It's going to be nuts. So if you have not been around for the previous altcoin cycle, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any questions. And are you excited for this next altcoin cycle? What do you think of the Polkastarter, with Polkadot? What's going on there? And did you forget about good old Uniswap? Well, that's a wrap for this video. And if you guys liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, because Crypto Homie is signing out. But just a friendly reminder, none of this is financial advice, just pure educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, until next time, the Crypto Homie is out.